Welcome to the best picks. The Best Brew Filter Mason Jar Infusion Kit is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly brewing accessories available today, allowing you to effortlessly craft delicious cold brew coffee and infuse teas right in your own kitchen, transforming your daily beverage routine into a gourmet experience with minimal fuss and maximum flavor. Number 5. Primula Burke Deluxe Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Enjoy incredibly rich and smooth cold brew coffee right in your own kitchen. Making it at home is now easier and more affordable than ever before. Our unique process creates flavorful, full-bodied cold brew coffee and tea. It's the perfect gift for any coffee lover, designed for enjoyment year after year. Just add grounds and water, then let it brew overnight. Serve it cold over ice, or heat it up to your liking. Customize with your favorite additions for a perfect cup. This design makes cold brewing simple and mess-free. It's easy to use, dishwasher safe, and features a durable glass construction with a removable filter. It makes up to 6 cups of smooth, delicious cold brew coffee. Plus, it's designed to fit conveniently on most refrigerator doors or shelves. A slow brewed cup is the perfect way to start your day. Create the cold brew coffee you'll look forward to waking up to every morning. As an industry leader for over 30 years, we consistently deliver high-quality, award-winning products. Experience the satisfaction and reliability that sets the standard. What we like. This is a great option for those who want to make larger batches of cold brew at once. Its durable glass carafe and dishwasher-safe design make it incredibly easy to use and clean. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to enjoy up to 6 cups of smooth cold brew, this is the one for you. What people say. The filter is very fine and works great for cold brew coffee. Easy to use and clean, the filter is removable and dishwasher safe. The mason jar is sturdy and the lid seals well, preventing leaks. Number 4. Masontops Wide Mouth Kefir Lid Starter Kit. Easily convert your wide mouth mason jar into a brewer for delicious, probiotic-rich kefir. Save money and enjoy this healthy beverage made right at home. Our unique lid features a simple twist mechanism. The open position allows essential airflow for fermentation, while the closed position ensures airtight storage and handling. Making kefir is now foolproof. The clear top portion detaches for easy grain measuring, and the bottom half efficiently strains the grains while you pour your finished kefir. Enjoy gut-friendly probiotics daily with our convenient system. Simply add your grains and liquid, and let it work its magic. This kit includes 2 caps for easy tracking. Trust Masontops for the most advanced and user-friendly mason jar tools. We specialize in making it simple to create healthy foods and beverages with your existing jars. What we like. This is designed for the fermentation enthusiast. Its unique 2-position lid allows for airflow during fermentation and an airtight seal for storage, making it perfect for making your own probiotic-rich kefir. If you're into home fermentation and want a specialized tool, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The filter is fine enough to keep sediment out of the finished product. The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including a recipe book. It's easy to use and clean, making it a convenient option for home brewing. Number 3. Organic Cotton Cold Brew Coffee Bag, 2-pack. Tired of gritty coffee? Our extra fine weave ensures only pure, smooth coffee makes it to your cup, leaving all grounds and sludge behind. Crafted from 100% natural organic cotton, these large bags offer a wide opening. Filling and emptying are a breeze, preventing messy spills. Unlike others, our nylon drawstring opens and closes effortlessly, even when wet. It's perfect for various containers, including your toddy system. Enjoy hassle-free cleaning. Simply turn the bag inside out, rinse, and air dry. Its durable construction ensures it can be squeezed to get every last drop. Get the best value for your iced coffee. These reusable bags are a superior alternative to traditional filters, and we guarantee your satisfaction. What we like. This reusable filter bag is perfect for those who prioritize natural materials and convenience. Made from organic cotton with an easy open drawstring, it ensures a sludge-free brew and effortless cleanup. If you want a simple, eco-friendly way to make cold brew in various containers, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. The filter is fine enough to keep sediment out of the finished product. The mason jar is a good size for making a batch of cold brew. The lid seals well and doesn't leak. Number 2. UPTRUST Cold Brew Coffee Maker Filter for Mason Jar. Brew up to 32 ounces of delicious cold brew overnight. It's easy to assemble, add your grounds and water, steep, and then remove the filter for a perfect drink. Our infuser and filter are designed to fit all wide-mouth mason jars. You can use it for iced coffee, tea, infused water, nut milk, and more. This cold brewing basket is made of food-grade, heavy-duty 304 stainless steel wire with a 100-micron mesh for the smoothest coffee. It includes a scoop and a perfect seal silicone gasket. Cleaning is a cinch. Simply place your cold brewer into the dishwasher, and it comes out sparkling clean. This kit comes complete with a filter, a durable 2-in-1 stainless steel coffee scoop and bag clip, and a BPA-free silicone gasket to prevent leaks. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. UPTRUST will respond promptly to assist you. What we like. This is a fantastic choice for anyone who already owns wide-mouth mason jars. Made from durable stainless steel with a fine mesh, it delivers a smooth brew every time. If you're looking for an affordable and effective way to convert your mason jars into a cold brew maker, this kit is ideal. What people say. The filter is very fine and does a great job of keeping sediment out of the final product. The mason jar design is classic and looks great on the counter. Easy to assemble and use, even for beginners. Number 1. Brewing America Mason Jar Cold Brew Maker. Save money and enjoy cafe-quality cold brew coffee or tea right in your own kitchen. This all-in-one kit makes it simple to create your favorite drinks. Create your perfect cold brew coffee or tea concentrate for a refreshing iced drink or a comforting hot cup. You can even experiment with nitro or fruit infusions. It's built to last with a BPA-free lid, a durable stainless steel filter, and a sturdy glass mason jar. Everything you need for brewing and storage is included. Enjoy rich, nuanced coffee and tea flavors without any bitterness or acidity. Simply brew in the fridge for 12 hours, then strain for a delicious cold drink. We stand by our commitment to quality, ensuring superior performance with every component. Trust an American brand for innovative cold brew solutions. What we like. This is a premium, all-in-one solution for cafe-quality cold brew at home. It includes a mason jar, a high-quality stainless steel filter, and a patented lid, all made in the USA. If you appreciate quality craftsmanship and want a complete, reliable system for delicious, low-acidity coffee, this is the one to get. What people say. The filter is fine enough to keep the grounds out of the coffee. It is a great addition to my kitchen and makes cold brew coffee easily. The design is simple and effective, allowing for easy brewing and cleanup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.